Imagine if you could solve our environmental problems and even make money doing it. Because that's exactly what you can do now with Tupan. Tupan is a crypto asset running on a Zeniq blockchain. Through its revolutionary architecture, it makes the market for circular bioeconomy and ecological balancing in the Amazon and other biomes around the world accessible to you. A token with the goal of ecological regeneration and socio-economic development. The only token issued by a fund registered with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The only token that aligns with the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Tupan is in demand globally and will change the investment universe. Future gains will translate into a consolidated structure and solutions to the century's biggest problems. Tupan is revolutionizing the way you invest. With Safir International, you can now enter the most promising market in the world, acquiring a minting hub and generate up to 110 Tupan tokens per day. By doing so, you are investing in your future and the future of the Amazon. Join our community now and build a sustainable and regenerative planet with us.